Hello, my name is Nancy, and the purpose of this DVD is to show the placement and the procedure for Dan's overlays and his solid state technology. Sometimes it's just helpful if you have a visual DVD to watch, even though I know some of you have bought the procedural manual. I'll also mention that the purpose of this short outline and visual synopsis of Dan's overlays, you can get the details from the Rocky Mountain's Best Branson 2007 and Branson 2008 DVDs. When you put the DVD into your player, you're going to notice a menu page, and just take your remote control with the down arrow button, scroll down to the overlay that you need, because they're going to be in alphabetical order, and that way you can find the one that you're looking for. Now, let's get started. I have a bio disc with a number 8 BioQuark. You can tell because it has a number 8 up here in the corner. This bio disc has the composite, and the composite is built in. The geometry is built into it. Many of you are told, and it's a very good thing to follow, to just buy the bio disc with the quark. That way you can tape it on when you need it, take it off when you don't need it. For the purpose of this demonstration with the Accumark, I'm going to use the composite and take the brass plate. By the way, if your brass plate gets dingy, dull, or scratched, or starts tarnishing, you can take the 000, this is called steel wool, scrub it up, both sides. It's a little bit more environmentally friendly to do this than it is to use the Bonami, although you can use the Bonami. Dan does it. I've done it both ways. I just think this is a little bit more environmentally friendly, especially to your brass plate. So little pieces of tape, just tape the composite bio disc to the brass plate for this demonstration purpose. This is the Accumark. Now here's your sandwich: brass plate, bio disc, number 8 BioQuark. This is the Accumark. I'm sure you can't see it in this camera, but it is the Accumark. Now where are we going to place this? We're going to use the body configuration. If you use the body configuration, it's always going to be the number 8 toward the body. The tabletop configuration would be the opposite. It would be this, where you can see the rainbow target. The target would go down on the table. For the purpose of the Accumark, the body configuration. Okay, the Accumark is using the body configuration over the navel. You go up from the navel about 6 inches, get a little ruler, and go up from the navel 6 inches, and to the right you go 5 inches. You'll be directly over the liver, and you hold the stack or the sandwich about 30 or 45 seconds. So I will demonstrate the navel right here. Go up 6 inches, go over to the right 5. You want the number 8 BioQuark toward the body because it's the body configuration. Hold for 30 to 45 seconds over the liver. Now, after you've done that, don't forget to pull it out about 3 inches from the body and hold it for 1 minute. And this helps eliminate accumulated environmental stress markers. And these are picked up from things like pathogens, chemicals, toxins, even radiation. And by the way, if you have it, you could use the red gel, but it's really better not to use any gel at all rather than to use the wrong one. Now if you use the red gel, I have the one because I don't have the practitioner set, and Dan's created some smaller gels than this. And how you would use it is you would put the red gel over the number 8 BioQuark. So if you have the red gel, it's even better because you get a little bit more energy out, and then you would just put it over the liver. All right, there's another supplemental application that you can use, and it would be to use the tabletop configuration, which I showed you before. You would just turn this over. Here, I'll show you. Just flip this over to where the tabletop is showing, and you would hold this sandwich over. You would put the Accumark toward the body in this supplemental application, and then you would hold this sandwich over the pubic bone in the center of the body for 30 seconds. Okay, so you want to do this for, say a minute, and then hold it out 3 inches for a minute, and do this 6 to 8 weeks in a row. And that's the Accumark.